Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be preparing one of Malawi's famous local street snack called Nyamakhobwe. This is made from Khobwe, which is a local legume. I started by sorting through the Khobwe and removing any unwanted grains, and then once that was done, I pressed it in a basin, and then I had to wash it thoroughly with clean water. After that, as you can see, I was just trying to remove any of those unwanted grains, and then after that I had to add in fresh water and left it to soak for about 15 to 24 hours. Once it was well soaked, I drained the water and started preparing my ingredients. I added in onions, garlic, salt, and then Raja spice. So you can adjust the seasoning to suit your preference and taste. So you can even add some chili as well, because it really goes well with chili. Unfortunately, on this day I had run out of chili, so I skipped it this time around. After the mixture, I transferred everything into a mortar and pounded it until it reached a smooth, well combined consistency. So once that was done, I had to transfer it on a plate so that I start shaping it into small balls. And the next, I heated some oil in a pan. These snacks do absorb quite a lot of oil, so you need to make sure that you have enough oil. So once my oil had heated up, I carefully added the balls and then fried them on over medium heat, turning them occasionally until they were beautifully golden brown. I continued this until they were all done. So if you have reached this far, I would really appreciate if you like, comment, and even subscribe to my video, so that you can get to see more from me. As you can see, this is the final result: crispy, delicious Nyamakhobwe. Until next time, it's a bye from me.